Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We will keep translating Chinese sentence, and in previous video we translated this sentence. Here we are chuba. Chu means go, but if we comment or suggest something, we use ba. Ba has no meaning, so chu means let's go, chuba. Here, just go. Wo lai bang ni ba. Wo means I, lai means come, bang means help, ni means you. I come to help you. Wo lai bang ni ba. I help you. I come to help you. Ni ya lai ba. Ye means too, or also. You also come. You come too. Lai means again come. Zo ba hai zi. Zo means here leave. For example, you pay visit to your friend. You are a guest, so it's so late, and you are with your child. So you can say, 走吧, 孩子, let's go, child, my son. 孩子, 快出来吧. 孩子, child. 快 means fast, quick. 出来 means come to me, or go out. But if you see lie here, 出来, the action happens towards me. But if you say 出去, so the action is going away from me. So here you are calling a child, 孩子, 快出来吧, come to me. 喜欢哪一个就拿去吧. 喜欢 means like, 哪 means which, 哪一个. Which one? You like which one? 你喜欢哪一个? So 就 just, 拿 means take, 去吧. So it means you take which you want, which you like. 喜欢哪一个就拿去吧. You take which you want. 你跟我来吧. 你 means you, 跟 with 我 I, 来 come. You come with me. 你跟我来吧. 好吧 means okay. Here all the same. 这怎么试试看? 这 means so. 就 just so. 试试 means try. 看 means look. Just so just try to look. 你跟我去看看他吧. 他吧. 你 you 跟 with 我 I 去 means go. 看 look. 他 means she. Here is her. You with me. You actually we can say together, with together. Go to look at her. Or you go to look at her with me. 我去机会. 你睡觉去吧. Here normally we use 回去 and 去睡觉 means 回去 means go back. I just go back. But this sentence I took from some ancient stories also. So the structure can be changed. But here we just we mainly focus on to learn characters. So I want you to not to consider every sentence is correct. Every sentence is not correct here. Just focus on to learn characters. So here you can say 我就回去. I just go back. 你去睡觉吧. You go to sleep. 试一试吧. 试一试 means try. 试 means try. But if you use 试一试, 试一试, it means that action lasts short time, for a short time. So just try. 你拿吧. 拿 means take. You take it. Just take it. 我试一试吧. 试一试 I translate. I will try. I try. 这个送给你吧. 这个 means this one. 送给 means give. 你 means you. This one I give you. I give you this one. 你还是穿试试看吧。你还是 you just 穿 means wear a clothes. 试试 means try, 试 means try. Can means look. Here you can say you just try to wear that clothes and look at yourself. 跟我一道回去那吧。跟我 with me. 一道 means together. 回去 means go back. 那 means take. So you, we together go back and take it. Go back to take it. 明天就来上班嘛。明天 means tomorrow. 就 just 来 come. 上班 means to work. So you tomorrow come to work. 这次我去买一个来吧。这次次 means times. This time 我去 means go, 买 means buy. 一个 one 来吧。This time I go to buy one of them. We don't know what will he buy. 您快去看看他吧。您 means you, 快 quick, fast, 去 go 看看 can means look, 他 means her. You quickly go to look at her. 还早呢。早 means early, 还 means still. It's still early. 多睡一会儿吧。多 means much more. 睡觉 means sleep. 一会儿 means a little or for a while. So I want to sleep more. I will sleep more. It's so early. It's early. I will sleep a little more. 不认识，我知道的。不认识 means no. I don't know. 我知道的。That means hit. I just hit him. 你好，我认识你。Hello, I know you. 认识 means no. I said it. 放开我吧。放开 here means release. 我 means I. It means let me go. 放开我吧 let me go. 放了我 also same meaning. 放了我放开我吧 it means let me go. 放他穿好衣服。放 here we can say let's. Normally we use 放 put something on somewhere. For example 放书桌子上。So put the book on the table. For example 放它穿 means wear. If you use how after verb, it means this action is completed. If means clothes. So let's him wear the clothes. Put on the clothes. Haydi, how idiom. Haydi, say it. A child say it. How idiom. Idiom means little. Little good. A little good. 要过年了，吃得好一点。要 means for here need. 过年 过 means past. 年 means year. 过年 means celebrate past New Year. So if it is New Year, 吃 means eat. The here after the we use adjective, but it's acting like adverb. So 吃的 so how he's eating, how eating a little more. So when it is New Year, you should eat a little more. 我一点也不好。It means 一点 means a little, 也 means also, 不好 means not good. I'm not good. It means. For example, 我一点好 means I'm a little bit good, but 我一点也不好 I'm totally not good. For example, 我一点也不累 I'm totally not tired. So Here there is an emphasis. 给我一点喝喝. 给 means give, 我 give me, 一点 little, 喝喝. 喝 it means drink. So give me a little, I don't know, it can be water or tea, whatever it is. You just give me little and I drink. 分一点给我吃吧. 分 means separate, divide. 一点 just separate a little. 给我吃吧. Give me to eat. Give me and I will eat that. 来吧 come. 快点来吧. 快点 means quickly. 来吧 quickly come fast. 雨 means rain. So 下雨 means it's raining. 快点回去睡觉. 快点 is quickly. 回去 go back. 睡觉 means sleep. So quickly go back to sleep. 点 normally 点 means I checked also on the dictionary, means point, but if you use 一点 means little. 一点 means little. Okay, now this sentence we will translate. We will keep going in next video, guys. I hope you can learn something and Chinese from my videos. If you have any question or suggestion, or you have any opinion, just write on my comment section. See you guys. Bye bye.